You should definitely try this. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to cook some steamed pork cake. Let's go. For the ingredients, we need 1 pack of steamed pork cake flour, 340 gram, 5 cups of chicken broth, 450 gram of banana leaves, 15 quail eggs, 450 gram of ground pork. Then you need 5 gram of dry fungus that you soak in water, then cut in small pieces. 1 onion that you also cut in small pieces. Minced shallot and garlic. Of course, some pepper, salt, and the panda sauce, oyster sauce. First, mix the flour package with 5 cups of chicken broth. Then stir it well. After that, add half a teaspoon of salt. Then turn on the stove and stir it well. Meanwhile, boil the quail eggs. Back to the pan, stir it slowly until the dough is thick. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Keep stirring until the dough becomes like this. Then turn off the heat and set the dough aside. In a hot pan, add oil. Then mince garlic and shallot. Then fry until it turns golden brown. Then add the ground pork. Stir fry the meat until it is cooked. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Add the fungus. Then mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then add the diced onion. Stir for 1 minute. Then turn off the stove. Then add half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Tear the banana leaves into pieces about 12 centimeters. Just like that. Then wash both sides of the banana leaves with a soft, clean cloth. Dry both sides. Then fold 2 pieces of banana leaves like this. Add 1 layer of dough. Then add the meat. Next, you add the quail egg, only 1. And finally, add another layer of dough. Fold it like that. Voila! Now steam the cakes for 15 minutes. And voila! Here you go! So delicious! Bon appetit!